Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Big at Kitchen Garden. Welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. On this new video I have an interesting plant that I want to share with you guys. This is the banana tree, guys. As you can see, guys, very interesting plant if you can look at it, guys. Without no waste of time, once again, guys, let's get to the video. Every part of the banana is packed with nutrition. This humble plant, guys, with its flower, stem, fruit and leaf, can be consumed in different ways for overall wellness. Also, guys, it is easily accessible and cheap around South Africa. So you've got yourself a practical superfood here, guys. Alright guys, I want us to talk about the fruits of the banana tree, guys. So they're very vital for your nutrients, guys. They are also great in digestive system, which aid in bowel movements, and they contain good fiber for your gut. So basically, guys, if you have constipation, you can eat them, guys, which means that they are rich in vitamin B6 and vitamin C, and they help your body to absorb iron much better. So overall, guys, they can help you in your blood and cardiovascular health. And guys, they're also good for pregnant women. Okay guys, which helps them in fetal health, guys. So for those that are pregnant, guys, consume much banana, guys, so that your fetus can grow very healthy, guys. As you can see, guys, my banana is a very organic tree, guys. As you can see, what I do, guys, on my daily basis, guys, is to apply mulch and to apply mulch and fertilizers, guys. So very quick and easy, guys. The mulch that I've placed on these banana trees, guys, are basically the mulch that I get from people who use these natural minerals, guys. So this is wood chips and grass. As you can see, guys, this is wood chips, guys. It is starting to decay here, and we have grass here. This is grass, guys. This basically, guys, they help to keep the soil fresh. After keeping the soil fresh, guys, what you have to do, guys, is to water frequently, so that your banana trees can grow in a healthy environment. So I want us to talk about the banana flower now, guys. So basically, guys, the banana flower, it helps to control diabetes, and it balances out your sugar levels in the body. So guys, remember, guys, I'm not saying that you have to consume banana only to be healed from all these type of diseases, guys. And the banana stem, guys, as you can see here, you have the banana stem here. If you want to consume the banana stem, guys, you have to know that it is filled with fiber, and it is filled with a lot of water, guys. So if you are living in environments that have lack of water, you can use the banana stem for your water intake and water consumption. So basically, guys, there are two ways that you can eat your banana, guys. The fruits, you can eat them raw, guys. When they are raw, they are called plantain. So you can eat them ripe. So if you want to eat them raw, guys, you can either fry them or cook them. But if you want to eat them when they are ripe, you can eat them as your fruits. So guys, I want to explain further on, guys, about the banana leaf. The banana leaf, guys, it is not edible. Basically, we get people who use the banana leaf for saving, guys. If you have food in your area and then you have no plates, you can use the banana leaf, guys, to dish up your food. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video, guys. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys, to learn more from me, guys. So for me, guys, when I got my banana, guys, I got it from the dumping site. I don't know if I've said this before, guys, but this is the second generation, the third generation, and the fourth generation, guys. So basically this plant, guys, here, when I got it, guys, it was not produced yet. So what I did, guys, was to get the first generation, guys, which I've harvested here. After harvesting the banana, guys, I then waited for this one to come to grow to this size. And then, guys, what I do, guys, is to, after this one produces, I'm going to harvest it here and wait for this one to produce fresh bananas. After that one, guys, I'm carrying here, and then, guys, I'm waiting for this one. So basically what I do, guys, is to preserve space, not to have bananas that do not produce food. So back to the story where I got this banana, guys. I was walking in the dumping site looking for materials to use for planting in my garden, guys. So basically I used tires, 2-liter bottles and sacks. So what I did, guys, was to find this banana, guys. This is the second generation, remember, guys, is to find that banana. After finding that banana, guys, it was this size. So what I did, guys, was to come home and then, guys, plant it around here. After planting it, guys, I used this organic material that I've explained from wood chips and my grass, guys, and I watered frequently so that it can gain roots, guys. So remember, guys, when I found it in a dumping site, it had no roots at all. So after quite some time, guys, it produced some roots and then it began to grow. So basically a plant, before it grows, it has to produce roots. After producing roots, guys, it grows. So after growing, guys, I waited for it to produce a little baby like this one. So basically this is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So after producing a little baby, I then wait here and then waited for it to produce food. After producing food, guys, I harvested it. I harvested the fruits and then, guys, cut down the plant. After cutting down the plant, guys, I'm then left with this one here. This is the second generation that I waited for it to grow after harvesting the first one. So this one, guys, after it produces fruits, I'm cutting it down this size. After cutting it down here, I am waiting for this one. After it produces here, guys, I am going to harvest it and cut it down here, and then wait for this one. Basically after waiting for this one to grow, guys, I'm going to get a little babies around here, around this surrounding area, guys. After that, guys, the process continues, so on and so forth, guys. So I hope you learn a lot from me, guys. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. I will see you in the new video, guys.